Happy August! It's Jen from Polk County Public Libraries here with this month's Teen Take and Make, which is Candy Sushi. I'm really excited about this one, and I hope you are too. So pick up your free kit at Saluda or Columbus Library. You have everything you need, except you are going to need a butter knife to cut the Rice Krispies in here. And follow along with this video. We're going to make some delicious candy sushi. If you are watching this on August 3rd, the day we post it, it is our last teen scene of the summer today at Columbus Library from 2 to 4 p.m. We're going to hang out, enjoy some snacks, play video games, and we're going to make mini oceans in a bottle, which is really cool. So our teen programs are for 6 to 12 graders only. So if you are in middle or high school, come join us. If you miss out today, we are going to be having a monthly teen scene in September, October, and November. So check your calendars to see what we have coming up and follow along to make candy sushi. Okay, so if you open up your Take and Make kit for the Candy Sushi, you'll see you have a Rice Krispies treat, you have some Swedish fish, you have, these are Airheads Extremes, Rainbow Berry, in case you want to buy some more and make them, and then you have chopsticks so you can eat it when we're finished. You're also going to need a butter knife, that's for cutting the Rice Krispies treats, and a plate. I couldn't find a plate, so I have a bowl. Alright, so the Rice Krispies treats are going to be our base, which would typically be rice and sushi. You'll also notice that stapled to your bag is a paper about the history of sushi. So I encourage you to read that and study up if you want to learn more about sushi or make your own. Alright, so we are going to try to make two different kinds of sushis with this one Rice Krispies treat. So I'm going to cut it in half, and then the first one, if you can see, make sure to wash your hands first, but you can shape them pretty easily. I'm going to shape it into a circle. And then this one, I'm going to put my fish coming out of the middle here. So I'm going to use the knife to make a little indentation in the middle. I'm going to open my first fish, and since it's, I'm going to it will be poking pretty, I think we're going to have to end up cutting the fish, but we might be able to stick it all the way to the bottom. Let's see. And you can always open your Rice Krispie treat up a little bit. So like I said, they're very pliable. I'm actually going to cut this first fish because I don't want that much of the fish poking out. And I'm just going to have him poking out of the top of my first piece of sushi. I'm going to press the Rice Krispies treat again to make sure that fish is totally surrounded. Alright, and then I'm going to get out my Airheads. This is what we're going to wrap around the outside. So this could be the seaweed on the sushi, depending on what kind of sushi you were actually making. And if you just press it, they're both pretty sticky, so it sticks pretty well, and you don't really need anything to hold it to the Rice Krispies treat. So, look, isn't that cute? That is so cute. So that is our first piece. Now we are going to make our second with the other half of the Rice Krispies treat. So this one we are going to shape in more of a long kind of oval or rectangle. And for this one, we are going to place the fish on top. So my hands are getting pretty sticky handling these Rice Krispies treats. There we go. So we're going to want the fish to go right there on top. I'm going to actually make my rectangle a little fatter so the fish sits on them better. And then we are going to take another piece of your Airhead, and you're going to wrap it over the top. Oh, a little extra piece there. And this one you can stick it to the Rice Krispie treat where you can, and just kind of wrap that over. So we have two cute pieces of sushi. The Airhead is coming off of it a little bit, so let me just press that back into place. All right. Delicious. I think these are going to be much more delicious than regular sushi, which I am not personally a fan of. All right, then you can get your chopsticks out and eat your sushi. Have fun, guys.